Well, we've got this little orange tree, Calamondino it says on it, and I've looked up a recipe, and it seems, because they're very, 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 very sharp, tart, sour, they can't possibly be eaten, but apparently you can make marmalade. So we're going to try it. It has put out so much fruit. It's ridiculous, it's a tiny little tree. How it thinks it can cope with all these flowers. These fruit, I don't know, and it's still putting out more flowers.
We're not harvesting the little lights then?
No.
Okay. Yeah, it's bright orange, that one will do. That's not bad, is it?
That's quite a nice.
I think
little...
last year it had about, what, 8 fruit? Something like that.
I bought it with money that Claire gave me as a Mother's Day present. It's gone bananas. No, it's gone oranges this year.
This is the amount of juice we extracted from our little oranges. It doesn't seem a lot, but according to the recipe we have to add 1 1/4 cups of water. So that went in, followed by the peel chopped very finely.
And then it says measure that and add equal, oh look, there's a pip, equal amounts of sugar. That is a lot of sugar, but it's a jam.
Yeah.
No, it's not quite there. And it's a very bitter fruit, don't forget. This is not strawberries.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of butter was next.
1 tablespoon. Perhaps if I put it that way up, it would be better. That's a tablespoon.
That's a tablespoon.
I'm using the bottom of my pressure cooker because it's a nice big thick base to it. Measure equal amounts of sugar, put in that and add to the pot. Woo!
Heat on low, stirring occasionally.
Looks sort of glossy, doesn't it, with that? Sterilise a few jars. It'll dissolve nicely, so I'll turn up the heat. And then we need to get it to a boil.
Caroline's is steaming up.
There is something very soothing about stirring.
Maybe not quite there yet, but we're getting there.
We weren't sure about how long to boil it for, but we did have a test to find out when it's ready.
Smells wonderful, and we have just sneakily tasted a little bit. Right.
It's very, very yummy. Gorgeous.
Here come the jars.
Oh, that's hot. And boiling.
Altogether, that was a great success. If the tree behaves itself next year, it may become part of our New Year ritual. In the meantime, we have around 60 pips to plant, so we may even have more trees soon.
Oh, that really is lovely.